Hello everyone, my name is Rahim Asum Raja and welcome to the market updates and MarketSmith portfolio review. So in this video, I will provide a concise recap of last week market performance along with the highlights from our MarketSmith portfolio. We will take you through the latest move in our model portfolio and spotlights the trend and the stocks that deserve your attention in the days ahead. Our aim is to deliver clear, practical insights that are easy to understand, whether you are an experienced investor or just starting out. So you can focus on what truly matters this week. So let's dive in. So first of all, I would like to update you regarding the Market Smith update. So we have actually added one stock in our model portfolio from medical hospital sectors, and we are actually holding 18 stocks so far in our model portfolio. So far as our market direction is concerned, so market status has changed to uptrend under pressure from confirmed uptrend with the 9 distribution days as of now. So distribution day is actually why distribution day occurs and what really matters. So distribution day occurs when the major index like Nifty or Nifty Bank or any of the major sectors falls more than 0.2% higher volume than the previous day. And it is a signal that large institution, mutual fund, insurance companies, pension funds are actually up unloading their shares. And when they sell in bulk, price drops and volume spikes. And this behavior is not random. It is deliberate and it is very powerful. So if the distribution day occurs, they often proceeds market correction and reversal. They show weakness beneath the surface even when the market seems to be trending higher. They help you manage risk and protect profit, especially during the bulk run. So, so this is the daily chart of Nifty 50, and we can look at the chart, and we have seen that market has been actually deteriorating in the last week, but the Friday action has been very powerful, where the index has gained around 1.02% when the rate cuts has happened, and after the announcement of the RBI policy, and that has acted as this powerful, we can say, energy booster to the market, and it has lifted the investor sentiment as well. And this sentiment has actually been observed in the banking sectors and reality sector as well. And overall the market expectation and the market behavior has changed from Friday onwards. And if you look at the chart, we can see that the overall trend in the index has improved and it is trending upward, even though it is in the uptrend under pressure, but still over it is trading above its all key moving average. But we have actually changed it in the uptrend under pressure on 3rd of June, because distribution day count has increased to 9 and overall the price action was deteriorating. The index has also breached its 21 day moving average as well. So because of that reason, the market status has been changed. We will again move the market status to confirm uptrend once the index will cross its recent high. So as of now, we are actually monitoring some of the stocks that I would like to highlight. So this is stocks like FL India. So FL India is looking great, and the stock has given the double bottom formation breakout. But because of the precautionary steps, we have not added, and we are actually monitoring it very closely. The next stock is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance is also looking very great, and it has actually tried to give the breakout yesterday, but it has closed below the pivot level. So we are actually monitoring it as well, and the stock is on the flat base formation. And after this, it might give the breakout, and obviously we will be updating you once it will be added or not. Then the next stock that we are closely monitoring is Aditya Birla Capital. So Aditya Birla Capital is looking a bit extended, and because the overall market sentiment in the last week actually, except Friday, it was actually in the deteriorating phase, and because of that, the stock is avoided. The next stock is Nuvama Wealth Management. So Nuvama Wealth Management is forming the base, and let's see whether the stock is giving the breakout or not. Because if you look at the volume spike is also good. and stock is actually extending higher. So let's see whether the breakout is taking place or not. The only concern is that its EPS strength, it is 55. So we'll be updating, looking at its fundamental and overall its technical and fundamental parameters. The next stock is Dhanuka Agritech shares. So Dhanuka Agritech is actually tending 14% to the pivot. So it is supposed to give breakout once the stock will extend higher, and it will give breakout after the gain of 12%. So let's see whether the breakout is taking place or not. The next stock is Federal Bank. So Federal Bank is also forming base, and it is 2% to the pivot level. So once the breakout will take place, so obviously we'll update you on that as well. The next stock is Pidilite Industries. So Pidilite Industry also forming base. It is standing well above its 200 EMA, and it is holding on that. Yesterday it got support there, and let's see the bounce back is actually strong or not, because looking at the volume spike, it is not looking that great. But if the volume turns up and the price action get improved, then obviously we can think of it. And this is our O'Neill market view that we send it on the daily basis. And it is a snapshot, or it is a fast way of looking at the O'Neill market view, where we can see that what is the market direction of the index. And also you can track the global market view. Then you can just see the which sector is doing good, and in which sectors there is a improvement, or you can have the analysis of a sectoral rotation, and also in that sector which stock is doing good, and which stock is on the verge of breakout, or which stock is breaking out as has already given the breakout, in which inside base action is taking place. So actually this article is very, very important for those investors who are looking for stocks, and also they are looking for the market updates. So, as we are in the confirm uptrend, so what are the things that we need to think about it? Sorry, we are in the uptrend under pressure, right? So we are in the uptrend under pressure. So in such market, we need to avoid making aggressive new purchase at this stage, and we need to focus on limiting position size and consider buying only those stocks that demonstrate exceptional relative strength. We have to monitor our portfolio, and we have to prepare to exit weaker positions promptly to preserve capital in the case market condition deteriorate. Maintain a flexible approach and allow market action to guide your decision, rather than forcing trade against the prevailing trend. And if broader market selling pressure intensify, consider transitions to more defensive strategy to mitigate risk. And stay updated by following our daily market commentaries for timely insights into any significant trend shift. So that is a wrap for this market update. And if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more market insight. Stay disciplined and stick to your strategy and trade wisely. See you next time. So thank you so much for watching the video.